Hey everyone, I'm Elsa Sevilla. We've been helping the historic Hotel del Coronado document its history as the hotel undergoes a major restoration project. This year, demolition crews made some incredible historic findings that had been concealed inside the hotel's walls for decades. Let's check it out. Black and white photos show how the historic seaside Victorian Hotel del Coronado is built to be grand. But the Del has seen countless renovations since it was built in 1888. It is now undergoing a major restoration, and the hotel lobby is one of the main priorities.
Yeah, this is the grand staircase off the main lobby. We have the elevator behind us, but they just recently uncovered these. They'd been covered in carpet. So these are the original oak treads that are going to be restored.
You can't see it now, but the historic elevator seen in black and white photos is also being restored. Historic photos are a critical resource to ensure all the original architectural elements are identified, restored, and preserved. The photos reveal some incredible original elements.
There's some great photographs that show the original woodwork. There used to be a fireplace, the pool tables, the light fixtures. We're not going to be able to bring all that back because the use has changed, but we're keeping everything that's historic, and we're bringing back some stained glass windows along the front veranda here.
Heading upstairs, from the mezzanine, you get a great vantage point of the restoration process. We can appreciate the exquisite woodwork and architectural design.
This entire ceiling is oak. It's the original oak from 1888, and it all needed to be cleaned and then refinished with new stain and shellac. And it's really spectacular. The closer you get to it, the more you appreciate the beauty of it.
One of the major discoveries is sealed off for decades. No one expected to uncover so much of the original Victorian guest rooms on the second floor. The original wood and paint are still intact. And then is this original here where we're standing?
Yeah, this was a really great discovery that was made during demolition, is that all of these columns and that grillwork behind us are original, and we didn't think they were here anymore because they were hidden under new finishes. And so we're going to be able to reuse all these as part of the restoration, which is always ideal.
The Del is making history once again, as this is the first time in its 132-year history the 28-acre property is being upgraded and restored all at once. When completed by summer 2021, the lobby will be restored to its 1888 grandeur. The full master plan project is expected to be completed in 2022.